Quick question, if I gave you a balance sheet right now, could you read it like a novel? Could you spot the drama, the romance, the mystery, and the hidden treasure? No? Well, this book, Romancing the Balance Sheet, can make you feel like Sherlock Holmes of finance, and I'm not even exaggerating. And if you happen to be a student, then this book can make you smarter than most founders and CFOs of large corporations. Let's dive into this, and yes, it will be fun. Part 1. What is this book about? Romancing the Balance Sheet is written by Dr. Anil Lamba, a finance genius who thinks finance is not just for CFOs and startup founders or CEOs. It's meant for everyone. Think of this book as finance for dummies, but obviously without the dummy toll. It's friendly, simple, and it flirts with you till you fall in love with concepts like cash flow, depreciation, or working capital. Whether you're planning to run a business or freelance, or you just intend to avoid being a friend who says, "Bro, where did my salary go?" This book is your toolkit. Let's be very real. Our education system teaches us how to solve quadratic equations, but it doesn't teach us how to read a profit and loss statement. And irrespective of what you want to become, financial literacy is your superpower. Romancing the Balance Sheet makes finance relatable, tell you stories instead of giving you formulas, and makes you say, "Oh, this is what EBITDA is all about." 5 big ideas from this book. Number 1, profit is not equal to cash. A big company can show profits but go bankrupt. Look for cash because that's the lifeblood. Number 2, working capital is like oxygen. Running a business without understanding working capital is like running a marathon while you breathe with a small straw. Eventually, you're gonna run out, man. Number 3, don't just focus on sales, focus on collections. Big sales are useless if money is not coming in. Business is all about collecting. Number 4, debt is not always bad. Smart borrowings can scale your dreams. Stupid borrowings, that's a one-way ticket to EMI hell. Number 5, financial discipline is greater than financial genius. You don't need to be a genius. You only need to be consistent. Monitor your balance sheet like you monitor your girlfriend's Instagram story. How exactly this book changed my mindset. Before reading this book, I literally thought balance sheets were scary. But now I see them as stories because every balance sheet tells you a story. Are you growing? Are you leaking money? Are you in love with vanity metrics? Or are you really chasing value? This book flipped my mental model. Finance is not about math, it's about mindset. If you happen to be a young student, I want to leave you with this thought. Life is going to throw you a lot of opportunities and few risks. Knowing how money flows will help you make better decisions, not just in business, but in life. This book will not make you rich overnight, but this will make you financially wise. And as you know, in the long game, wisdom wins. So my recommendation, pick up Romancing the Balance Sheet, not for your syllabus, but for your success. And if you like this breakdown, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment me your views. And hey, share this with one of your friends who needs a financial wake-up call before their next blow-up trip. This is Vikas signing off from the Career Hustle channel. Thank you.